Hey everybody, this is Andrew coming to you with another review, this time of the AMIR photo lens kit. This is a 3-in-1 kit for pretty much any phone. It comes with a wide angle lens that's 140 degrees. You've also got the fisheye lens and the macro lens for super up close shots. Now let's see what's inside. Instruction booklet right here. It'll tell you what the lenses are for, and then it'll tell you the pieces that come included in the package. Let's put it together now. Lens clip. This would go around the phone, and you've got this thread right here so you can screw in the lens. This is the wide angle. It's a big piece of glass, and it has a cover on the back to protect that side as well. We go ahead and screw the clip into the lens, fasten it right there. You may go ahead and bring your phone and go ahead and clip it right on top of the phone's lens. Carefully, just make sure there aren't any black edges when you see the image. This being the fisheye and the macro lens together, I'm going to pull them apart. Smallest one is the macro. You would screw it onto the clip, same as the other one. And if you'd like to make that fisheye, you would screw it on top of the macro lens, as such. Now let's go ahead and clip the wide angle right here, and let's go ahead and take some shots.